Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will learn how to install the current Eclipse version on Windows 11. For that go to the web browser. I am using Chrome, you can use any web browser. On Google type Eclipse and press enter. On pressing enter the official website is visible, click on it. Eclipse.org. Eclipse.org. Directly click on download. Here it is. Now on clicking downloads, the download section is visible, go below. Here the download button is visible, click on it. This is for 64-bit. Click on the download button. Now the download will begin. Here it is, let's wait. The exe file downloaded. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. Now the setup will start. The setup started. The Eclipse is visible for Java, C, C++, PHP. We'll be installing it for Java developers. If you want for other versions, click on it. The process is similar. I'll click on Eclipse for Java developers. Now here it is. Eclipse will get installed in the following location. Okay. And it will automatically take the Java version. You can select the current one, 21, available for Eclipse. That's it. You don't need to install Java separately. This JRE means Java also. JDK includes JDK and everything you want for Eclipse. So you don't need to worry. This will create a start menu entry as well as a desktop shortcut. Now click install to begin the installation. End user agreement, click on accept now. Now the installation started. Let's wait. Here it is. Guys, we have successfully installed Eclipse. You can click launch from here. It also created a desktop shortcut. You can also click here. I'll click launch. Now select workspace. Workspace is a place wherein all your project files, folders, directories and plugins will get saved. I'll keep the default. Okay, here is the location. You can keep it as default so that you don't need to set Eclipse again and again when you'll create a new project. Click launch. Here it is. It started for the first time. Go to file, new, Java project. Add the project name. It automatically took the Java version. Keep it as it is. Okay, this came with our Eclipse. Unselect this. We are working on a basic project. Click next. Click finish. Close this and now our project will be visible. Here it is, but there is no file. So let us add a file. Right click, new, class, Java class. Let's say I'll add a package. You can add a sample package also. Here it is. Now I'll give a name. Let's say demo.java. Okay, public static void main basic, rest keep as it is and click finish. Here it is, and here was our package name. You can see under source com.studiopedia, and within that we have our Java file. Here we have the complete format. This was our package keyword com.studiopedia was the package name. This is our class demo. Now I'll print something quickly using system.out.println. I'll print something. Whatever I'll add here inside this will get printed. The following file, save all. right click, run as Java application. Here it is, we printed it successfully. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily install Eclipse and run our first Java program. Thank you for watching the video.